This is the 40th anniversary of the Palm Beach International Boat Show. This show is the third biggest show in the country now, and it really starts the spring season for everybody in boating.
The role that the boat show plays with respect to economic and hospitality impact is huge. Not only the people that are here spending money, but the folks who learn about our wonderful city. It's so exciting.
The Palm Beach International Boat Show plays a huge role in Palm Beach County, and we're able to give back to the community as well. We donate tens of thousands of dollars back to the community, different nonprofits and organizations, and we're really proud of that.
Palm Beach Boat Show is everybody's favorite boat show. It's the weather, the setup. It's very kind of friendly place, you know, and everybody likes coming out in a spectacular day like today.
This show has become a very intricate, important part of our boat show season. Our customers love this show. We love the show. It's really become our favorite show.
Happy 40th anniversary to the Palm Beach International Boat Show.